I watched around 14 videos before I started my repair. Then I realized that there are things missing in those videos. Therefore, I created this one just to share my learning. Most videos showed this bonnet nut holding down the cartridge can be removed easily. However, I tried all other methods, including using WD-40 lubricant heat, and I still couldn't remove it. Finally, I decided to cut the bonnet nut. I used my drill and attached a cut-off wheel assembly for my old broken Dremel tool. Firstly, I did a horizontal cut on the surface of the nut. I have to avoid cutting too deep so as not to cut into the housing. And then I used a hacksaw, just the blade, to complete the final cut, so I have more control. The nut is made from copper. It's relatively soft and easy to cut. I have to stop when I see the threads on the cut, as shown here in these photos. And then I cut open the edge of the nut. So I can jam the tip of the screwdriver, and I use it to crack open the nut. I replaced the cartridge. Unfortunately, it was still leaking. I pulled the cartridge out, and I can see a coating of white substance on the base of the valve, as illustrated here. There's a video on YouTube using the soft metal brush to get rid of those white stuffs. But I'm concerned if I didn't do that correctly, I may damage the whole valve. Those white stuffs is the mineral deposit from the water over 20 years of usage. I decided to use vinegar and baking powder to create a solution. I then used the paint brush and applied the solution to all the inner surface of the valve. I let the solution stay there for about 30 minutes. Then the white stuff's all gone. I use clean water to flush the valves, and then maybe baking powder stay behind if I don't do that. I retest it again. I'm lucky this time. It works. If you find this video useful, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow the channel so more people will know about how I fix different problems and also building other fun projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.